A picture-perfect start to the week, but somewhat 2072 will be better than the year, which will come to an end on Wednesday. That's the word coming in from market guru Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. And he, of course, was in conversation with CNBC TV 18's Udin Mukherjee. Jhunjhunwala raises a red flag, however, for the banking sector, saying the new regulations could throw up some more skeletons from the closet.
I think there's more clarity. Markets have corrected, time has passed, expectations have moderated, and the flow of local money is, progressing very well. And I think slowly but surely the economy is on an uptick. So expectations bellied, and commitments reduced, domestic money coming, economy on upswing. I think we are at a bottom.
That's a big statement. You think we have a bottom somewhere in this zone of 76 to 7800 Nifty? It would surprise you if the market broke those levels and went lower?
I think the big uncertainty only is this banking problem. So I think this matter of these bad debts in the public sector banks and some private sector banks is going to come to a head in the next 6 to 9 months. I don't see any other area where the markets will catch us by surprise. Because see, suppose you had expectation, Make in India, defense, bail. I mean, to name a company, now those stocks have corrected, and I think with time to come, those expectations will actually turn out to be real. This market got too excited initially. It was not without reason. So I feel, the initial euphoria or honeymoon that the market had is over, reality has set in. At the same time, I think the government is working slowly but surely, and we are going to see results for the efforts they are making.
I was speaking to Vallabh Bhansali just a few days back, and he constantly spoke about that problem as being a real Achilles heel, and you started off this discussion by alluding to that as well. Do you think things can actually get much worse there over the next 6-9 months before they get better?
All countries have had a sector, have had problems in the banking sector. The question is, it was being hidden. I think in the next 3 to 6 to 9 months it will come out in the open. And once it comes into a climax, solutions will be found. Suppose a loan is there, it's not that assets are not there. Only the banks were trying to prolong the inevitable.
But do you think it's a problem, as a lot of people think, it's a public sector banking problem? Or does the Axis Bank experience tell you that there could be some skeletons coming out of even the private banking closet?
I think except Kotak and HDFC, it's a problem with every bank. But in varying degrees.
All right, from one